Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2018 and beyond Porsche Panamera Gran Turismo Sport. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp base foot pack, the WingBar Evo load bars in either silver or black, and then the vehicle specific fitting kit, which contains the components that make these items fit this vehicle perfectly. So let's go into detail on that fit kit. The fit kit comprises a set of 4 rubberized metal door frame brackets and a set of 4 rubber base pads. So let me show you how those interface with the foot pack. So here we have one foot, and I'll just go ahead and pop off the cover. So now you'll see that we've already applied one of the decals to indicate that this foot is designated for the front left position. So to get it set up properly, we would just flip it upside down and press the rubber base pad around the perimeter onto the base. And then with the metal door frame bracket, we just insert and click, and it'll hold this position inside of the foot there. Next, the other component is the load bar. So this is the WingBar Evo, a short segment of the WingBar Evo. We've cut it down so you can see the construction. It is a box beam construction, so giving a excellent stiffness and rigidity. There's also a track that runs along the top. So that track is designed to allow for accessories to slide right on in through the rubber, giving a very integrated means of attachment for certain accessories that are T-track compatible. Now, when it's time to actually install the foot onto the bar, we'll just press the tab on the back side to release the end cap. So you'll notice we have a smart scale slide. There's a number that'll correspond to the slide. The number is on the instruction sheet. That way you get the correct positioning of the foot onto the bar. So now, since we've already got the fit kit attached to the foot, we'll just press on the inside where you see the silver tabs. We'll just press against those silver tabs, and then we can insert the foot onto the bar, and we'll just slide that down into place until it rests against the smart scale position. Now you also have this exposed track here, and we can fill that in with this rubber that's included, and that rubber will maintain the aerodynamics of this load bar by not having any exposed track. And then we can go ahead and reinstall the end cap. And then next we have the included tool here. So the tool engages into a fastener, and you would tighten this tool, and this handle will click, indicating when it's fully tightened. Next, we have the outer cover that we just click into place and turn this plastic plug a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. The metal lock cylinder takes the place of the plastic plug and gives you an actual key to lock that cover. Now, this is part of Thule's one key system, which means you can have all of your feet matched with the same key, and actually any other Thule one key system products can also be key matched. Okay, so those are the key features of the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. This is for the 2018 and beyond Porsche Panamera Gran Turismo Sport. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. please see the links in our video description for a complete install overview of this rack system. Also, links to all the individual components and all the different fits for this vehicle. Thanks for watching.